Welcome to Star Technology 5G. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to use the Cisco Packet Tracer. Let's start the video. Open the Cisco Packet Tracer. On my laptop, the Cisco Packet Tracer is already installed. You can download and install the Cisco Packet Tracer from the Cisco website. This is home page of the Cisco Packet Tracer. There is menu bar. You will create new file. Open any file. Select and delete from here. Now click here. Network devices. In the subcategory, you can select routers, switches, hubs, wireless devices, security, and WAN connections. Select any Cisco device. For example, I will select the switch 2960 and drag on this window. Now we have added a switch. When you move the cursor on the switch, it will show its name, model number, host name, and its available port numbers. Now click on the switch. It will show you the switch's complete details, like how many modules there are, its config setting, its CLI. Press enter. You can also configure your switch from here, and its attributes. Close this window. Click on End Devices. In a subcategory, here are the Cisco devices available, like a PC, laptop, server, Meraki server, printer, IP phone, TV, and tablet. Home. Here are some basic home devices that are available. Small city. Here are some small city devices. Industrial. And there are industrial devices available. Now click on End Devices. Click on Laptop and drag laptop into this window. Now we have added one laptop. Click on the components. Here is some different boards that are available. Next is actuators. Here are some industrial items that are available for different purposes. Next are sensors. Here are some industrial sensors that are available for different purposes. Next is connection. There are different cable connections available. The first one is an automatic connection. If you use this connection, it will automatically select the cable type. Console, copper straight, copper crossover, fiber, phone, and coaxial are also here. Now click on the console cable, and press left click on switch. A list will open, click on console. The cable is connected to the console port of the switch. Now left click on the laptop and select the RS-232 port. Now the console cable is connected to the laptop and switch. If you want to connect a switch with copper cable, then first add an end device like a desktop. Select the copper crossover cable. Left click on the network switch. Select Fast Ethernet port 0/1. Click on desktop and select Fast Ethernet port. Now that you can see the green light, it means the link is up. This side is orange. It means the link is not up. Now both side links are enabled. Now click on Miscellaneous. Here are some Layer 3 devices. In next video we will configure the Cisco network switch. Now save this file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Star Technology. Please like and share the video.